everyone, Sophie here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Cricut EasyPress 2. So this was a Christmas gift and I'm really excited to start using it. I've got quite a few projects in mind. So the first part of this video I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys, and then I'm also going to show you some of the things you can buy to use with this EasyPress and some of the project ideas you might have. So this one here is the medium size, so this is the 9 by 9 inches. There's also a smaller one and a larger one. I recommend this size if you want to use it to make bags and t-shirts. Then if you want to do like extra large, there's a bigger size and that one is for those. And then if you want to do like baby grows and things like that, then you should get the smaller one. Okay, so as normal, we have our instruction booklet. So you should note as well that with this set you don't get any materials or anything, so you will need to buy those separately. Except if you want, you can put the Cricut logo on your things. I'm not maybe sure if I will. But it does also just come with a nice quick start guide to get you going. Also, this is good. It actually comes in its own little bag. So I guess that's what you can put this little Cricut logo on if you want to. Maybe I will do that after all. I was looking at bags for this as a carry case, but they're actually quite expensive, so that's probably something that I'll just add to my list. So it is quite big, but you want it to be decent size for your projects because you want to make sure that this is going to cover the entire piece that you're putting onto your t-shirt or your bag or your coasters, wherever it is. Otherwise you can just end up with a bit of uneven heating. So that's why it really is important to make sure you buy the right size. And it also comes with this mat as well. So when you're not using it, you have something to rest it on. So I'm just gonna open that. Sorry if I've deafened anyone. Not quite sure where I'm going to put this in my little flat, but I will find a place. And so this does actually get up to 400 degrees Celsius. So it does get incredibly hot, but that is also why it's so good in terms of doing the t-shirt transfers and all the infusible ink, because you get such good temperature and also just such an even temperature, much better than if you were to use an iron. So since I've got the bag and I've also got the free transfer, I'm actually going to do a test run with you guys today. So I've just got my Cricut warming up to 145 degrees C, and that'll do a little beep once it's ready, so don't worry if there's a beep during the video. And I also just want to show you this as well. So this is one of the accessories that you can get. So this is the heat map. And so this is just, again, something that helps you to keep everything even. It's just an additional thing to make sure that when you're applying the heat to whatever you choose to use, it's a nice even coverage of the heat. And then in terms of actual materials, you can use iron-on materials and you can also use the new range of infusible inks. So I've got an iron-on here, so this is a patterned iron-on, and then this is one of the infusible inks that you've got. So these ones require a slightly higher temperature than the vinyl, but either are fine. The beauty though of the infusible ink is that it actually goes into the fabric, so it's not something that's just going to wash out or wear away over time like you do have when you put like an iron-on material. It might start to crack as you've washed it and worn it quite a few times. You can also get blanks as well. So Cricut sell blanks, or you can just buy your own blanks from other stores. So I've just got blank t-shirt here. Now this one I bought specifically to use with the infusible ink, because for the infusible ink you need to have a t-shirt material or any material that's polyester, because if it's cotton it just won't infuse very well with the material. So that's one thing to note, that you need polyester fabric. And then I've also got some coasters. So these are compatible with the infusible ink. These are the own brand Cricut coasters, so you can get them as the circles, or you can also get square variety, and you get a pack of 4. So I'm going to do a little project with you guys with those in another video. So my heat press is all ready and good to go. So let's get started and make this bag. So using our quick start guide, we've warmed up the machine, and what you need to do is you need to make sure that you're on a flat surface, and you also need to warm this surface before you put on your transfer. So I'm just going to put this one on in the middle. So I'll put that to one side for now, and we're just going to prep the material. So I'm just going to try and straighten this out as best as I can and get it centered on my mat. And then I'm just going to take my press and I'm just going to put it and press down. You want to press down with a reasonable level of force and just hold it there just to get rid of any of the wrinkles. And I might just do that again just to really get rid of these wrinkles here. So it's quite bunched up in the bag. Okay. So I do have a bit of a wrinkle, but it's not, I don't think it's going to actually interfere with the placement of our logo, so it shouldn't matter. So next we actually just need the piece of iron-on material. So I want to make sure that this is roughly centered. Just doing it by eye. Looks good to me. So you want this with your liner facing towards you. And I've set the timer on my press for 30 seconds. So I'm going to put this on the top, like so, and I'm going to start my timer. Okay. Now next, what we want to do is flip this over, and then we're going to do the same thing but on the reverse side. So popping the press back on there again, pressing the little green button, and we wait for another 30 seconds. Sorry, we do this for another 15 seconds. Okay. So it's still feeling quite warm, so now what we need to do is try and pull off the liner somewhere, testing a corner. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, excellent. So that seems to be coming off nicely and leaving my pattern where it should be. Let's get that corner. And there we have our finished Cricut bag. So now I've got a little bag to put my heat press in. So next time I'm going to be showing you how to do some stuff with the infusible inks range. And if you want to see when that video is coming up, then just subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. And in the meantime, happy crafting, and I'll see you very soon.